Sit tall in your seat with both feet firmly planted on the floor. Lengthen your spine, reaching up through the crown of your head. Make soft fists with each hand and stack your fists on top of each other. Slide your hands forward on your desk and place your forehead on your top hand. Take your time finding a position that feels relaxing. You may need to experiment with different hand positions. Try switching the top hand to the bottom if you don't feel comfortable yet. Stacking your fists and placing your forehead on them can help to release tension in your neck and shoulders. If this doesn't work for you, simply place your palms flat underneath your forehead. Once you find a position that works, bring your awareness to your breathing. Watch your inhales and exhales. Slowly begin to deepen each inhale. Lengthen each exhale. With every exhale, let any tension in your body drain out through the soles of your feet and through your forehead to your hands and out of your body. Each exhale relaxes tension. Each inhale recharges your body with energy. Now slowly lift your head, release your hands, wiggle and stretch your fingers for a moment, and relax your hands in your lap.